Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter jam using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, your favorite fruit jam and a stick of good quality butter, softened to room temperature. You'll also need a mixing bowl and either a spoon or an electric mixer. This simple approach creates a delicious spread that's perfect for toast or pastries. Now, let's combine these delicious ingredients. Start by whipping your softened butter in a bowl until it's light and fluffy. You can use an electric mixer for this, or a sturdy spoon for a good arm workout. Once the butter is airy, gradually add your jam, 1 spoonful at a time. Continue mixing until the jam is completely incorporated and the mixture is smooth and uniform. The beauty of jam butter is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with various jam flavors like raspberry, blueberry, or orange marmalade to create your own unique spreads. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Once prepared, spoon your jam butter into a small dish or roll it in wax paper. Store it in the refrigerator for several weeks. Your homemade jam butter is now ready to enjoy. Spread it generously on warm biscuits, toast, or freshly baked bread for a truly special treat. It also pairs wonderfully with pancakes, waffles, or English muffins, elevating any breakfast or brunch. This simple spread is sure to impress. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.